Number 1, the turning point. When you get to middle school, a lot of people turn into a completely different person. For instance, I knew a kid in elementary school who was really friendly and joked around all the time, but once they got to middle school, they started acting up and doing some pretty sketchy stuff. This is probably because middle schoolers start to care more about popularity, how they look, what type of people they hang out with, and a bunch of other things that didn't really exist in elementary school. And as a result, you're left with a bunch of fake, petty, attention-seeking, drama-loving jerks in a school social hierarchy that you realize was completely pointless. Number 2, parents put more pressure on you. Middle school is usually the time when parents start to pay more attention to your grades and test scores, which can be pretty stressful. They also might start putting in more activities, so you'll likely have a lot less free time than you did in elementary school. And while your grades don't really matter until you get to high school, they may affect what level math you're placed in, so if there's one class you should do well in during middle school, it's definitely math. Number 3, you become aware of things. Throughout middle school, you'll start to notice specific numbers spray painted on the lockers, a few red-eyed people wearing sunglasses, groups of people in the bathroom looking suspicious, and people sharing disturbing memes and making inappropriate jokes. But the worst part is you start to become a lot less innocent and realize how dark the world really is.